Hi viewers, welcome to Gani's YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to create this type of base plate in Tekla structures with this PDF example. If you need this PDF example, please join my channel and take a screenshot and send to my email address. I will provide my email address in the description. Please join my channel and take a screenshot and send to my email address. I will provide this PDF example directly to your mail. Okay, let's start. Open Tekla structures. Now I'm going to create a new project. So click on new and let's take the name of project is number 14 tutorial. Click on create, click on S. So now go to the steel and select this column and click on here to place the column at intersection point. By default we have I section, but we required a circular pipe. You can see 200 by 10 thick. So use the shortcut control 4 for solid view and double click on this column and click on here and select this pipe profile. And by default we have pipe 200 by 10 thick, so click on modify. And now coming to the column height, in our example we have 5000 and bottom level 0 and top level 5000 and bottom level 0. Now click on modify and close it. I want to create a base plate at this location, so go to application components by using the shortcut control F, or you can directly click on here and type here base plate and scroll it down. You will get the circular base plate connection here and select it and pick the part and pick the position here. By default you will get like this, and use the shortcut shift 4 for solid view and double click on to open this base plate. You need to double click on this base plate to open like this. In this base plate you can see the procedure also. Now go to application components and create the part and pick the part and select the column. And in the picture tab you can see you need to enter here 3030. Go to the picture tab. Okay, go to the picture tab, you need to enter here 3030. In our example you can see we have the information here is the 3030 in the design information, so I need to enter here 3030. Click on modify. Now go to parts tab. In parts you can enter the base plate thickness here. In our example we have the thickness of this base plate is the 16 millimeter, so we need to enter here 16. And the stiffener thickness, we have stiffener thickness is the 8 millimeter, so enter here 8 millimeter. Now click on modify to see the result like this. Now you can see in our procedure, after that go to the parts tab. You need to enter the circular base plate diameter also, height of the stiffener also here. So in our example circular base plate we have 400 millimeter dia, so enter here diameter 400 millimeter. Click on modify to see the result. Now this 400 millimeter is the diameter of this base plate. Now coming to this stiffener width. Stiffener width according to the base plate will be come at the edge of this base plate to here. For example we have the information, you can see 400 is the diameter of the base plate and 200 is the diameter of the pipe. Remaining this part should be 100 and 100, so the stiffener should be 100, or you can make it as a 95 also. For example we're going to take here 100 and click on modify to see the result. For example we're going to take here 95 also, you can take it as a 95. Better take 100 up to the edge of this base plate. Now height of this base plate, in our example we have 200 millimeters, so enter here 200 millimeter height of this base plate. Click on modify it. Now this height should be 200 millimeter. Now go to the bolts tab. In bolts you need to enter the bolt size, so enter bolt size. There is no option here, so you need to enter anchor size. So in our example we have bolt anchor rod size is 20 and tolerance is the 3 millimeter, so anchor rod size is the 20. Click on apply, okay. And nut and wash profile, by default take it as a default, or you can take from user defined fixed. And nut profiles we're going to take is the 20. Apply, okay. And base plate with anchor and L-bend anchors, then click on modify and we're going to create S like this. Next we have number of anchor rods are 4, so we need to enter the information about those in bolts. Number of anchors we have 4 bolts. So click on modify. You can see now we have bold information is 4, and the distance between the two boards diagonally, the edge distance we have 50-50, total is the 400, and we need to remove this 50-50, so we'll get the dimension from bolt to bolt is the 300 millimeters. So we need to enter here 300. Click on modify. You can see now this should be 300 millimeter, like this. You can see you will get like this. Okay, step by step process also available here. You can see the how to enter these dimensions, and how to enter the anchor rod information, and how to enter these information, clearly explained step by step process in this PDF. So if you need this PDF, please join my channel, take a screenshot and send to my email address. I'll provide this email directly to your email. Okay, that's it about how to create circular base plate in Tekla structures, modify, apply. Okay, that's it about how to create this type of base plate in Tekla structures like this. If you have any doubts, please comment below. For more Tekla structure related videos, please join my channel and please subscribe my channel also. Okay, thank you.